Hello everyone, today we are making ambul tiyal. Wash the fish and then you can add salt, garcinia paste, pepper paste, and then you can add garcinia water which is strained, and you can mix them together. Next, pour some oil. Then you can add cinnamon, cardamom, curry leaves and pandan leaves. Once they are all mixed, you can place your cinnamon leaves on top of it. Then slowly you can place your fish on top of the leaves. Once it's cooked for a few minutes, you can take it and shake. Here we have added more garcinia water which is strained, and we added more normal water. After a few minutes, place some more cinnamon leaves on the top. And you can shake it once again. You can close it with the lid and let it cook for some time.